Hello there again, this is binaryoptions.com. We are continuing our Binary Options Academy projects with the time element. Well, whenever you hear the time element and you are trading binary options, you know that when you trade binary options, it's not only the direction that matters, but also when price is going to a specific level. In other words, if you are telling me that the euro US dollar is moving 100 pips higher, I want to know when, because if you don't put the time element to your prediction or to your forecast, then basically the whole forecast can be useless, even though the striking price may be okay, may be perfect, but the option may expire out of the money because either the expiration was too short or too long, and you will not have a profit out of that option. So the time element. Well, the time element can be measured using different patterns, and I would start with the most popular one, which is the triangle, the most popular one and the most common one. It is the preferred way your market is consolidating, triangular formations. And triangular formations are coming, of course, with contracting triangles or expanding ones, but also with patterns that are also being called pennants. Pennants. Now, how is a triangle looking like? Well, a triangle is looking like this. You have, let's say that we have a bearish triangle, so we have a move to the upside, which is considered to be the first leg of a triangle, which is always corrective wave and goes wave A. Then we have the B wave like this, then we have a C wave, then wave D, then wave E, and then triangle breaks low, like this. So, in Elliott wave theory, it should be labeled like the following. This is wave A, this is the B wave, this is the C wave, this is the D wave, and this is the E wave. Like any triangle, contracting or expanding one, it doesn't really matter. Market is traveling between the A and C trend line. Let's make it of a different color so that we actually know that that one is the trend line, the A and C trend line, and the B to D trend line. So we have two different trend lines. A pennant, on the other hand, it is still a triangular formation, but it's looking something like this. You have a strong move to the upside, followed by a small consolidation, something like this, like a small consolidation, and then another continuation to the upside. In both cases here, it is desired to trade in the first instance put options, and in the second instance call options, by the time that the consolidation area is completed. A consolidation area that is bearish in the first instance, hence the put option, and bullish in the second instance, hence the call option. Now, all this can be done by having an ally on your side. I'm talking about the time element. In the first instance, let's consider here, this is being the euro US dollar on the daily chart. Let's consider here the move that started from here and ends here. Well, this move, as you can see, is definitely not a bullish move in the sense that it's not a pennant, but it looks like a contracting triangle, and if it looks like a contracting triangle, we need to take into consideration the time element, basically, to see what it means. In any triangle or a contracting triangle, time element states that the B to D triangle, this one, cannot be broken like this, but it should be broken in less than this, the amount of candles that traveled for wave E, so it should be broken like this or like this, not like this. If it is like this, then either the triangle is not completed or market is doing something else. So something like this should be the norm. Now, on our example here with the potential triangle here, I would say it is a complex correction that goes in the following structure. That goes with wave A here, then a B wave, and then a wave C. And remember that this is a daily chart, right? So ABC. Then we need to have a small X wave or an intervening X wave already from this moment of time. We know that this one
is actually going to form a complex correction and not a simple one. So we got to calibrate our steps as the triangle, the bearish triangle, that will act as a reversal pattern is about to follow. Stay tuned for the second part in order to continue with this complex correction that ends with the triangle, to take the time element into consideration, and also with the pennant. Bye bye.